Hi guys, so for this video I'm using cotton in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 3.25 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 10. So now that I've chained 10, on the last chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now for row 1 I'll chain 3. Then right here through this loop I'll make 24 double crochet. This 3 chain already counts as 1. Now to finish row 1 right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 5. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 5. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5. Now to finish row 2, right here through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, right here through this next 5 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then right here through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 7. Through that same 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 7. Through that same 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 7. Through the same 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through the next 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 7. Through the same 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 7. Through the same 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 7. Through the same 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 7. Through the same 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. And now to finish row 3 I will chain 7. Then through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Through this next 5 chains I'll make a slip stitch. Through the next 7 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3. Here through this loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So we have a 3 chain in the beginning of row plus 3 double crochet, and then I'll chain 7. Now through that same 7 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Now I need to make 2 double crochet cluster, one in this double crochet chain and one in this last double crochet chain. So it's kind of like a decrease. Yes. Again, through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. I'll chain 7. Then through that same 7 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Now in this first double crochet chain and through this last double crochet chain I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Chain 7. Then through that same 7 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Through this first double crochet chain and through this last double crochet chain, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 7 chain loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. Chain 7. Then through the same 7 chain loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. Now through this first double crochet chain and through this last double crochet chain, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 7 chain loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. Chain 7. Through that same 7 chain loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. Through this first double crochet chain and through this last double crochet chain, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 7 chain loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. Chain 7. Through that same 7 chain loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. Through this first double crochet chain and through this last double crochet chain, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 7 chain loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. I'll chain 7. Then through that same 7 chain loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. Through this first double crochet chain and through this last double crochet chain, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 7 chain loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. I'll chain 7. Through the same 7 chain loop, I'll make 4 double crochet. And now, to finish this row, through this first double crochet chain and through this last double crochet chain, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Now right here through this third chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 4. Now for row 5, through these next 3 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Again, through this next 7 chain loop, I'll make 5 double crochet. Chain 3. Then through the same 7 chain loop, I'll make 5 double crochet. Through these next 3 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Now I'll skip this next double crochet chain, and through this double crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I'll skip this next double crochet chain, and through these next 3 double crochet chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through the next 7 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. Through these next 3 double crochet chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. I'll skip this next double crochet chain, and through this next double crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I'll skip this next chain, and through these next 3 double crochet chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. So I'll repeat this throughout this row. So we have 1. To finish row 5, right here through this first double crochet cluster chain I'll make a single crochet, and then right here through this next chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, and then I'll cut this cotton, we'll weave the ends in. I'll have to go and get the yarn needle for that, which I don't feel like doing, so instead I'll use this crochet hook to weave the ends in. And then what we'll do, or what I am going to do, is I'm going to find a wooden board, as you have seen probably in one of my previous videos, and some push pins, some starch, and start to stiffen this snowflake